Hello everyone, Alyssa at MarineMax Clearwater, again here to show you a beautiful 2020 pre-owned Carolina Skiff 19 LS model. On the back we've got a 90 show. It's an excellent motor for this boat, as well as a swim ladder. You've got your trim tabs here, your power pole, and your transducer. Sitting on a Magic tilt trailer. Nice bimini for sun coverage. Moving up into the boat, you've got your super functional backrest flip-up seats, as well as a live well in the center, cup holders as well. A really nice Helm seat here with cooler and storage underneath. On the console, you've got your SIMRAD with your gauges and your infinity radio, as well as storage speakers, cup holders, rod holders. Moving forward, we've got a seat here that doubles as a live well. Huge bow seating here. All of these cushions do remove. We've got storage under here as well. Makes for a really nice fishing platform. Anchor locker up front. And again, this huge bimini top. Absolutely unreal sun coverage. Got your bolsters along the side, as well as rail rod holders. Battery switches back here for easy access, as well as flip-up cleats on four corners of the boat. That is the 2020 Carolina Skiff LS here at Clearwater MarineMax. Again, my name is Alyssa, and I'll see you on the water.